What's up, Degens? Crypto B here, hitting you with the hottest crypto news in the last 6 hours. And remember, we're on this wild ride together, updating every 6 hours, so smash that subscribe to stay ahead of the game. Let's kick things off with some price movement action. Our top winners are Hype, mooning at 5.3%, Ondo pumping 5.0%, and MyX gaining a solid plus 3.8%. On the flip side, ICP is getting wrecked with minus 3.4%, M is down minus 3.3%, and Pump deflating by minus 2.1%. Market sentiment? Straight up neutral, fam. Now on to the alpha. Grayscale and VanEck are making waves, filing for ETFs tracking Binance's BNB token. This could seriously boost BNB's market cred and make it way more accessible to investors. Big moves. In other news, as Bitcoin feels the chill at $88,500, gold and silver are looking shiny AF. Silver's breaking records at $100 and gold's eyeing that sweet $5,000 mark. Diversification, anyone? UBS is stepping into the crypto ring, planning to offer crypto services to its elite clients. This could be the dawn of a new era for banking and digital assets. Keep your eyes peeled. And let's talk about Ledger. They're aiming for a whopping $4 billion IPO in New York, potentially tripling their valuation. This is huge for the crypto security world and mainstream adoption. Quick NFT update before we wrap. Bored Ape Yacht Club is flexing with a floor of 25.50 ETH, up plus 3.2%. Meanwhile, Pudgy Penguin slid a bit to 820 ETH, down to 1.5%, and Azuki's popping off at 12.80 ETH, a plus 5.8% leap. All right, fam, that's the wrap for this update. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and get ready for more crypto madness in 6 hours. And don't forget to peep the description below for those juicy reference links. Crypto B, signing off. Stay edgy, Degens.